Hey guys, welcome to the channel and thanks for watching Ken Prints This. Today guys on the channel we'll be unboxing this Amazon Basics black PLA filament. So the Amazon Basics black PLA filament comes in this cardboard box. And inside the cardboard box there is an instruction manual, and the instruction manual just has the information about the product and how to use it. So now we're going to take the filament out of the box and we're looking at the filament. Looks pretty cool. It comes in this plastic wrap. It's not vacuum sealed, but it's plastic wrap, and you see the silicone packs, hopefully to keep it dry. But yeah, we're gonna bust this open and see what's inside. All right, let's see how this filament looks. Well, yeah guys, let's look at this filament. It looks pretty nice. I love the color. It's nice in a deep, rich black. Let's just see how the filament feels. Let's bend it. Yeah, it's pretty durable. It doesn't break as easy as some PLAs. The spool is really nice. There's only one little slot to see the filament, but that's okay. But yeah guys, we're gonna load this up on the printer and see what this filament looks like when you print with it. Alright guys, here you go. Here is one of the prints using the Amazon Black PLA filament. I don't have all my settings dialed in exactly, so that's why you have some layer lines right here. But overall, the PLA filament looks great. I love the matte finish on it. It's not glossy like some other PLAs I've used. It looks very, very professional, and it wasn't really hard to print with. I also like that it doesn't break when you leave it in the printer like some other PLAs. I know some other PLAs, if I leave it in the printer, it breaks. But this one, I've left it in my printer for a bit and it hasn't broken while it's in there, or it doesn't absorb water as easily as some other PLAs. But yeah guys, this Amazon PLA is pretty good. So yeah guys, definitely leave your comments down below if you tried this filament. Let me know what you think. Again, my name is Ken. Thanks for watching Ken Prints This, and I'll see you on the next one.